Hello and welcome to another video with Foreign Chatter. In this video, we will be delving into Invest Your Talent in Italy IYT Scholarship Guide. To start with it, let's now take a look at an overview of what Invest Your Talent in Italy Scholarship is all about. So, the Invest Your Talent in Italy Scholarship is a prestigious program funded by the Italian government. So, to attract talented international students to pursue master's degree at top Italian universities, the scholarship includes tuition fee waivers, a monthly stipend, and opportunities for internships in leading Italian companies. Such that the benefits of the scholarship includes full or partial tuition fee waiver at participating universities, monthly stipend of €900 for living expenses, internship opportunities at Italian companies after completing your coursework, and exposure to the Italian language and culture via mandatory courses. However, there is also an eligibility criteria for one to apply for the IYT scholarship, so applicants must meet the following requirements. One should hold a bachelor's degree from non-Italian university, should apply for an eligible master's degree program at a participating Italian university. You should also be under the age of 30 at the time of application and demonstrate proficiency in English, an IELTS band of 6.5 or TOEFL equivalent, and should not reside in Italy at the time of application. The master's program or eligible courses which are available for this scholarship are engineering, advanced technologies, architecture and design, economics, and management. Now, let's take a look at the application process involved within this very scholarship program. First is checking the eligibility and programs. So, visiting the official IYT or Invest Your Talent in Italy website to review eligible universities and courses are very important. You should also ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria which is given in the website. Now, second step is applying to an Italian university. It involves choosing a participating university and applying for an eligible master's program. Following the university's admission guidelines is very important, while also obtaining a conditional and unconditional offer letter from it. In the third step, you are to prepare application documents. So a valid passport or national ID is very important. An updated CV, Europass format is recommended. University transcripts and degree certificate as required. English language proficiency certificate, either IELTS or TOEFL. If asked, statement of purpose explaining how your career goals will align with the university's requirement, 2 letters of recommendation, and proof of university application or admission. We have the fourth step, which is submitting application online. The first point here is to create an account on the Invest Your Talent official portal. The second is filling out the application form and uploading the required documents, with the last step, submission of the application before the deadline, which is usually around February or March. The fifth step is selection process. Here, the applications are evaluated based on academic performance, motivation, and suitability for the program. So, the shortlisted candidates may be invited for an interview, either online or in person. The final results are generally announced on the Invest Your Talent website, which you can go and check for yourself. The last step within this very process is acceptance and enrollment. So, say you are selected, you need to confirm acceptance of the scholarship, after which you need to complete the university's enrollment process and apply for an Italian student visa. If you are enrolled within this very scholarship program, upon completion of academic coursework, the Invest Your Talent scholars, which is you, must undertake an internship at an Italian company. Now, it allows you to gain professional experience and enhance your employability. Some key deadlines to keep in mind before you apply for this very scholarship are as follows. The application opening is generally around December or January. The deadline can be around February or March, while the results are declared around June or July, with programs starting by September or October. Let's address some frequently asked questions related to this very scholarship. A lot of people ask if IELTS is actually mandatory for this very scholarship. Yes, a valid English proficiency test is required unless your bachelor's degree was taught in English. There have also been questions where people have asked if you can apply for more than one university. The answer is yes, but you must also indicate your preferred choice in the Invest Your Talent in Italy application. What about expenses? Are they fully covered? Now, the €900 stipend that you are provided can help with the living expenses, but depending on the city that you live in, you may also need additional funds. Adding more on this question, you can also work part-time. Yes, international students can work part-time up to 20 hours per week as per Italian regulations. Some final tips to remember before you apply for this scholarship are applying early to avoid last-minute issues, drafting a compelling SOP to strengthen your application, and double-checking document requirements before submission. It is also important that you prepare for a potential interview by reviewing your academic and professional goals. To know more about the scholarship, you can check out their official website and also check the list of participating universities which are available on a given website. Now, the Italian Embassy in India can also provide you with visa information and various procedures involved. That was all for today's video. I hope this guide will give you a smoother idea about what Invest Your Talent in Italy is all about. If you do need help with your application process, Foreign Chatra always gives out one-on-one consultation and solution for your study abroad programs. So do leave a like and subscribe so that we can bring more of such contents for you.